What's up, OBS family? Back with another vlog. This vlog is going to be about my personal truck, my red single cab step side. Last weekend, so exactly a week ago, got sponsored by Weld to show the new design on their wheels called Weld Solanos. They gave us a set of 17 by 11s. We slapped it on our truck, and now it's time for a Weld photo shoot today, and we are taking you guys with us to see how it goes. It is currently 7:30 in the morning. We have to meet up with the guy at 8 in the morning, and we're getting the truck washed right now. So let's go check out the truck getting washed.
YSL. Like, fuck it.
Intoxicating now.
I lose it all in this bitch. I lose it all up in this bitch. Go ahead and try me. Into getting money, saying whole shit probably.
All right, huge shout out to my boy 300. I literally told him last night around 11 o'clock at night. I forgot my truck was dusty and it needed a wash for the photo shoot today. He said no problem. He pulled up really early and started right on it. Huge shout out to him. I'll post his Instagram right here. You guys go give him a follow, please. He does all Long Beach and Los Angeles area. Check him out. So he's about to finish and we're gonna start making our way to Torrance. Like I said, it's a 15-minute drive from where we're at now. After we finish the Weld photo shoot, we are gonna go to my shop. There's a guy doing a mural on my wall. I'm gonna show you guys how it turns out to look. That's a two-door Tahoe right there. That's my pops driving. He's gonna follow us to the photo shoot. Like I said, after the Weld photo shoot, we're gonna go straight to my shop and I'm gonna show you guys the mural that is being painted on the side of my shop. Today he's going to finish off the last part. We'll put my truck and take some pictures and some videos with my truck in front of my shop mural. So you guys stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for all the love on the last video. We received 1,000 views in like 2 days. That's pretty cool. I used to wait like a whole 3 weeks to a month and a half for 1,000 views. So now seeing that just motivates me even more to keep on making these videos for you guys, because now I know you guys do want to watch the YouTube. So thank you guys so much for supporting. I really appreciate it and it means a lot. And we already got recognized from a brand, you know, Weld, one of the biggest rim brands. So you know, it just motivates me to keep on pushing for these videos and showing my truck. Shout out to Weld. Huge shout out to Mario from Weld for giving me this opportunity. I don't even know if you watch my videos, but if you do, hey, saludos, bro. Thank you so much. So my boy finished detailing the truck. We're about to start making our way, and he is going to follow us. So, you know, every time you wash a truck, some water's going to come out of somewhere. So when the water splashes to my truck, he's going to be there and spray wax it again for the photo shoot. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think I recorded when I put in the new 454 original OEM seats, because I did have some before, but they were reupholstered. But I came across some original ones and I put them in. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna record when we get there. As we made it to the spot, I guess it's nothing too crazy, but I mean, his photos go crazy. I seen them on the Weld profile, so I know he doesn't need no crazy background for some cool pictures. 300 came through to touch it up again. Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
What's up?
Yeah, shout out your Instagram.
300_auto detail.
Right here. He came through to keep on touching it up, because you know, all the times you drive, the water splashes everywhere. It looks like I didn't even know about this spot. Look, this is a cool little pit right here, but it is Torrance. Torrance PD does not play, so we don't even step in this city at all with my truck. You know, it's just too risky to get it all state refed, and it's not worth it, you know. So yeah, this is where we're gonna take the pictures, and then here comes the photographer for Weld. Vlog. Here's the wheels, guys. Check them out. So like the guy said, they've been available in all different sizes, but the 17 by 11s aren't out yet, so that's why they're trying to get some photos real quick. That's my dude, pretty dope guy. Just met him. He's a photographer for Weld, and he's gonna make my truck look pretty. So yeah, let's let him do his thing. This is my truck's first actual like professional photo shoot. Besides that, I always take pictures with my phone, you know, all the time. But like with an actual professional camera, this is the first time ever. I don't know why I never like took the time to contact somebody to take some dope pictures of my truck. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the time or what, but we're finally here doing it with Weld, so that's even better. Check it out, he's getting down. His name is Mark, and he represents the brand Weld. Good shots. Good shots, baby. Good shots. Oh yeah. Stop playing with my boy Mark. Oh yeah. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. Hey. Alright, so Mark, the photographer, said this is his car, so we're gonna check it out. It's a Camaro 1LE. That's just an SS with an upgraded package. I think the wheels changed and the interior. Yeah, I think that's what's the difference with the 1LE. But damn, this is nice. All carbon fiber everywhere. So I'm surprised he don't got welds. I'm about to tell him. You need some welds, man. I think that hood is different. That looks really dope. But damn, Mark is not playing. Jesus Christ. And he got the little baby chair in the back for his baby. Sheesh. Carbon fiber wing. Pack a nut. That's nice, Mark. Hell yeah. Yo, this is what I like about these wheels. Look how they look from the front, you know, because they are 17x11s. They pop out on both sides. It just makes it look so mean and crazy. I'm kind of digging these more than my billet specialties now. Sheesh. Mark, so what's the difference from the 1LE? Like, is it just a package, or is it like some motor work difference?
More suspension.
Oh, okay, suspension.
Bigger brakes. It's more for a track.
Okay,
track
and
package.
the interior too, right? The interior is just for the 1LE.
Alcantara,
Oh yeah, I saw. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what it is. Okay, 1LE.
seats.
Was there? I was right. Actually, I just missed out on the suspension part.
Has magnetic right suspension.
Okay, the suspension. Mark, I was just telling because I'm doing a vlog. I was telling them you're just missing the welds though.
I mean, you have it.
Oh, you do have them. Okay, okay.
I just don't rip it all over the place.
Okay, okay. So you have
I
like
have the track pack.
with the B locks.
Yes.
Okay, okay. That's what I was like. Hey, where the welds at though? All right, we're gonna change the side looking that way now. So let's do it. Let's do it. So we changed the truck around. So now you guys get to see the back part. And I think it's a hot day. It's a hot day here in Cali and Torrance. Cool camera setup. Yes, 2, 3, his phone and everything. He said we are going to get some burnout clips going at the end. So I'm excited for that, and they're gonna look dope, and we're gonna burn out those new needle tires that I just put on those rims. But fuck it, let's do it for the content. Let's do it. They're going crazy. That is kind of fast, damn. So photo shoot's over, and we're gonna finish it off with a big burnout, and they're gonna record me. So.
One more time, bro.
I'll do it, yeah. just finished the photo shoot with that last burnout. Mark here got it done. But that's it. How was it, Mark? How'd you like the little shoot? You do it all the time, but
that's fun.
yeah.
Burnouts are always special, man.
Yeah, Chiento's just cleaning it up real quick for the paint because it does mess it up. But he was like, I'm gonna take it off real quick. He's right back on it. But yeah, and then especially since we're in Torrance, we're gonna drive it back to my shop to go check out that mural next, so we don't want to get pulled over. It had a lot of tire marks and stuff, so yeah, we're just gonna take it off so we won't get pulled over and stuff. Shout out to 300 for the win. Really stood by my side this whole photo shoot because he already knew it was gonna go down, and he was gonna keep on touching up the truck and stuff. So hey, he made it come true. Thank you so much. Shout out to Mark. He got down on the shots. I can't wait for them to come out. You guys keep a lookout, and hell yeah, let's get it. This family, we made it to the shop already. It was a good photo shoot. We got a lot of good clips. That's my dually in the background. I don't think I presented it yet to the YouTube, but that's my dually. So yes, these 17 by 11 Solana wheels, they will be out in the next 2 weeks. Well, they've announced the Solana style already for other sizes, but these 17 by 11s is the ones they're announcing real soon. They will be in stock in 2 weeks. I am saying 2 weeks. That's what they told me. So they'll be available for sale and for you guys to grab at the OBS parts shop. Remember, we can ship them, or you guys could pick them up. What tire size am I running on these 17 by 11s? I am running 315 35 17, and they are Nitos. Other people put Toyos, I put Nitos. I just went with Nitos. It's just my preference. But yeah, 315 35 17 Nitos, the triple G's, the GTs. The Toyo brand is available, and they are way cheaper as well, but I just wanted to go with the Nitos. But look how good these Solanas look. 17 by 11 Solanas. Like I said, you will be able to get it from me, from OBS Parts. You guys already know, just message me or call me. My phone number is on my page. I love them. I love them. I love them. It gives my truck a better look, and it'll give your guys' truck a better look. So like I said, if you guys are interested in these wheels, start texting me now. You know, once they hit the market, I can start grabbing them, shipping them out, or you guys can come pick them up at the shop. Yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna show you guys the dually while I'm at it. So this is my new dually. I got it a couple months ago. I just haven't introduced it to the YouTube channel, but we gotta do it little by little. You know, I just introduced you guys the Tahoe, and we're putting work into it right now. But this is gonna come later. You know, maybe you guys will start seeing some videos there and then of probably me cleaning the interior up and stuff. But like I said, we're saving this one for later. Right now we're gonna focus on the Tahoe. But it is a 1993 454 motor, you know, crew cab dually. But like I said, we're gonna save this one for later. And this is the mural that my guy is doing right now. It's the heartbeat of America. Check it out. And that's going to be a blimp that says the world is yours, you know, from Scarface, famous Scarface picture. And this is just going to be a picture for you guys to pull up in your trucks and take pictures of the mural and your truck, of course. You guys just started following my YouTube, you know, you guys might want to go back and check out the videos when I first moved in here. You know, right now it's a big difference. I'll show you guys inside right now, but yeah, this was nothing like when I first got it. Of course, you guys could go back and see when I first got my shop. But yes, I'm hoping to record the guy a little bit, at least today, so he could finish off that blimp, and we'll take a couple pictures of my truck with the finished mural. Get over those wheels. Look how they look. They look so good. Let's go into the shop though. I have a mess. No, I don't. You know, so ladies and gentlemen, this is my shop. I have rim displays right here. I got the famous bench consoles. Those are available on my website, MrOBSParts.com. That bench console fits 2 6.5s and a pair of tweeters. This side we have grills displayed on what you could pick. We have a lot of headlights, and we have audio, oil changes if you guys wish to come in here, overhead enclosures, you know, and we do accept Snap. What is Snap? It's a finance option to get your rims, tires, anything in here, bench console. It's a finance. I like it. Why? It gives you 3 months to pay off the item without no interest. So if I charge you $800 for those rims, you get accepted for SNAP, you pay $800 in 3 months. You know, you're not gonna pay interest like $895 because of the interest. No, you're gonna pay $800 flat if you pay it out in 3 months. That's what I love about SNAP. 3 months is 100 days. So you guys go check that out. If you want some rims and you want to apply for the SNAP, all you got to do is text 81508 to the number 48078. It'll send you the application for OBS parts right away, and then you guys can apply, and then it'll let you know instantly how much you get accepted for. And if you get accepted for a lot, get some rims. You know, we could ship it out. I'll ship it out for free. Come on, let's make it happen, people. I'm here to help you guys for sure. And even if you guys have questions about rims or any items here in my store, I'll always help you. Ladies and gentlemen, I parked my truck here already, and we got some dope pictures. I'll show them at the end of the YouTube video. But I don't think my mural guy is gonna come today. I think he said he's gonna come later, but we're about to probably close up the shop in the next hour. Thank you so much, Weld, for giving me the opportunity to showcase those new wheels for you guys. So much for watching this full YouTube video. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below, even if it's just a fire emoji, so I can know people are watching me. Thank you so much. Thanks for supporting, and stay tuned for more videos. Let's get it. Just tell you guys before we finish it, make sure to go follow my Instagram page, OBS_parts. I know a lot of you guys come from there already anyways, but also if you guys want to follow my personal Instagram, it is All Motor OBS, just like that badge right there, All Motor OBS. That's going to be my personal Instagram if you guys just want to follow me, you know, and post what I do on the daily. You know, that's my personal. You guys are more than welcome to follow it as well. Thank you guys so much.
Varias veces lo intentaron, no se lo podían llevar, porque su equipo armado siempre lo puso a temblar. Bien puesta la camisa, con los dos brothers esos de la pizza, dejó bien demostrado, no era pollito, eran gallo pesado. Lo por desuido fue que lo agarraron desde hace tiempo.